Hello guys, was able to have this one just right today, and if any one of you would like to know the actual actual image of this one, and also the size, I'm sorry, and this is the actual texture guys, if you want to see how it is, if you're interested to have this. So can't you see? There are the suturing is just there. So there's a chance that it might tear up. No, for long usage, there's a chance. Just can't you see the thread is not that big. So that's how it is, the actual. So there's a chance that might damage easily. But so far so good. It is intact and looks so nice. So this is brand new. This is so brand new guys. I just love the round rug. Jute rug, no? Handwoven. So this is how it looks like, and it's not that big, this size. Maybe there were some big sizes, but this one is just a decorative size, so not so big. Nearly the same size of my center table. So look, nearly the same size of my center table. So it's not quite big, but I like the size, although it's just a decorative, because look, does not compensate the whole area. So I just love the round shape. So for now, we'll just try, and for the first time, I will leave it like that. We will see. But I just really love the round size rug compared to rectangular. So this is it guys, if you're interested, this kind of jute woven rug, how will you call it? So this is the actual texture. So far so good, but I just don't know how long it will last. Maybe for a long run it might create some hairy like, or maybe like something like this. For a long, for example, long term usage, it might create like this. So this one might create damage when we are not addressing this right away. Because that's how it is. So although this one is brand new, just arrived today. So this is what you call the thing that is inserted here. Start to damage, how can't you see? To think this is brand new guys. So this one must be addressed. I don't know what will I do, but there is maybe a little bit of the couture or something. There is a, or maybe a cool, we will try it might, to avoid damaging. that's how it looks like, guys. There's a chance for a long-term usage. It might create more of this one. So be aware if you're buying something like this. Try to think if you really like it, or what is your future plan. Or if you just want to try, then why not change it later. So that's how it looks like. But the texture, guys, is soft and comfortable. So when you sit down, it's like you can lie it down and it looks like so comfortable. Although dusty, maybe because of the fiber. So there were some marks here. Look. Tiny marks like that. From the fiber. So that's I'm just showing it how it is. But that's how it looks like. Well, the choice is yours if you want to buy like this. Not bad. Anyway, it's all our choice. Well, I will continue my home decor here to rearrange and put it back. Well, that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you learn something in this video, and it might help you when you are buying this kind of product. So it might help you decide whether you will buy it or not. So far, so good. At close look, it's not the same. At far, it looks so nice. Well, the choice is yours. Well, bye for now.